Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to come and show you these 3 cards that I made using the Polkadoodles. Let me first show you the stuff that I use. I use this happy birthday die. I use this cute little border. I also used Winnie, the printed toppers. I used her and her, and they're beautiful. Then I used this paper pad. I used this one right here and this one. And the papers is just so colorful, so cute. I love it. Okay, so let me show you my first card. I made this one. And this one I did the card, and then I did like another layer of card, and I just kind of flipped it. I added this bow. I added this really cute little rosette that my friend had gave me. These 2 little flowers. I think it came out super cute. This is from my stash. And then in the inside, that's where I wrote happy birthday. I think it came out super, super cute. So I did that one. Then I did this one where I used a border. And this Winnie is from the Winnie Wonderland, like Alice in Wonderland. And I think it came out so cute. I don't know if you can tell, but she's all glittered down. You see the horse? Kind of. So I did that. I did the Hobby Lobby trim, and this one I turned into an easel, and it says thanks for being so great, and it goes like that. And that's a doily from my stash. I think it came out very cute. And then I did this one, and this one I haven't personalized it yet. I don't know if it's going to be a birthday card. I don't know what it is going to be, but I figure I have it ready, and it stands like that, but it also folds flat. So it folds like this, or it folds like that. And this is a tutorial that I followed from Sam Mix-Up Craft. So I'll put that link in the description bar too if you want to follow the tutorial. And it stands. I think this one came out so cute. It's just a different card. It's one of those fun folds. But that's it. These are my 3 cards that I made using the Polkadoodles. I hope you guys like it. Let me know which one was your favorite. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.